In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop on Academy Sports and Outdoors website where you can find quality sporting goods as well as top-tier hunting, fishing, and outdoor gear. Let's get started by visiting the website. If you're already at your computer, just open up your web browser and type in www.academy.com into the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll land on their homepage. Take a moment to look around. This homepage is your gateway to a vast array of sporting goods, from recreational equipment to serious outdoor gear. Whatever you're in the market for, whether it be for a new hobby or a seasoned passion, you're bound to find something here. Next, let's move on to the shopping cart. Usually you can find the cart icon at the top right corner of every page. Go ahead and click on cart. This section is crucial as it allows you to review your selected items before purchase. Here, you can double check the quantity, remove any items you might have added by mistake, or apply any promo codes you might have for extra savings. If your cart is empty, the website might suggest some popular items to get you started on your shopping spree. Remember that your cart can hold multiple items, so feel free to take your time and gather everything you need before checking out. Now, depending on where you are in your shopping experience, it's possible to either continue browsing or proceed to checkout. If you haven't already created an account on the website, I recommend doing so. This way you can keep track of your orders, save your progress, and receive updates about the latest deals and promotions. Simply locate the Sign In or Register button, which can typically be found near the cart icon or in the website's header. Signing up will grant you access to exclusive features such as saved wish lists or faster checkout options. As you navigate this process, remember that Academy Sports and Outdoors also offers assistance through their customer service for any questions that may arise. Don't hesitate to reach out for help with product information, order status, or any general inquiries. They've designed their support to ensure that your experience is as smooth as possible. And there you have it. A simple guide to starting your shopping journey with Academy Sports and Outdoors. Whether you're equipping yourself for a new adventure or just picking up some essentials, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Remember to have fun exploring the numerous options available